The payment links allows you to directly create to offer consumers the ability to pay for purchases. 1. Add a site to use the payment links. Click on Add Site in the payment. Site management page. Enter the site information as prompted by the page. Select the payment links as the supported type and submit the information. Once approved, the site status will change to active. 2. Using the payment links. 1. Create new product. When creating payment links, you must choose a product for the order. Click Create New Product. Fill in the relevant information as prompted. The system will calculate the final product amount based on the details you provided. Click Submit to successfully create the product. 2. Creating payment links. Go to Payment Links. Click on Create Payment Links, then fill in the information as prompted on the page. After entering all the information, the order amount in the preview will display the final amount to be paid for this payment links. Once you confirm the details, click on Submit to complete the creation. After the payment links is successfully created, you can click Copy to share the link with consumers. For online credit card payment, 3. Payment Links Transaction View. In Payment and All Transactions, click Payment Links in the Source drop-down menu. Transactions across all payment links can be viewed.